Hey Beans! So today we have something different. I decided to check out Mini Brands Create. For those that don't know, Mini Brands is a brand that basically makes miniature things related towards our favorite things such as sneakers, shoes, food, and so forth. This one is their new and I believe collaborated that they've done with a chef or a company, I believe. So this one is the steak, I believe it's called. I'm gonna call it that for now. And I was a little curious on this to see what the difference was between them and Miniverse. So this was actually pretty cute to play around with, honestly. It didn't really come with much, but I'm okay with it, honestly. What I'm really interested is that we got this cute little UV light that's in the shape of a chef hat, which is so convenient for those that do not have any UV lights, or if they are looking for some, this comes automatically with it. Surprisingly, the glaze was so much easier, so the resin compared to Miniverse is actually a lot harder, and the fact that I was able to put this on with no problem and it came with extra resin was really nice, honestly. So I do like that part. I did not struggle at all. As you can see, it just went on with no problems, and I tried my best to make it as nice as possible, but we got this in the end, and it's okay, you know? So I really like this little chef hat. I think it's really cute, and here is the final look. Honestly, I might consider getting more of them. I'm still unsure as there's not that many, but hopefully in the future we'll get to see more. I hope you all enjoy. Bye!